This is Dewalt battery won't charge fix. So first one is just simply check the charger and outlet. Make sure the charger light comes on and test the outlet with another device to confirm that the outlet is working. Another one is clean the battery contacts so dust and corrosion can block charging. So wipe the battery's metal contacts and the charger contacts with a dry cloth. Now, what you could try to do as well is warm or cool the battery. If the battery is too hot or too cold, the charger won't start. And let it sit in a room at temperature 20 to 25 C for 30 minutes before retrying. So guys, now if any of these doesn't work, the battery cells may be permanently damaged and you'll need a new battery pack. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.